Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to tag people on Instagram post collaboration. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to tag people on Instagram post collaboration, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application, click on the plus button, then go ahead and select post. It could be video and it could be photo. Once you selected it, go ahead and click on next at the top right. Click on next again. Now to tag people on Instagram post collaboration, click on tag people. Click on invite collaboration. So go ahead and select the person you want to invite as collaborators. You can separate them or move them around, it doesn't count. Then click on done at top right. Now it should say these people tagged. You see them? And then once you are done, go ahead and click on done and then share the post on Instagram. And then these people will be tagged to the post with invite collaboration, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to tag people on Instagram post collaboration. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.